There you go. There. Stretch your heels. There. That's better. Good. Sit up. Bring it there. Keep your shoulders over your ass. Right. There. Send them forward with your legs there. Hey. Hey, there's a flying change. There. Send them forward with your legs. And keep your shoulders over your ass. Sit up. There. And then just pick one. Shorten it up and take it all the way to your hip. Just grab the one. There. Like, you can literally just let go of the other side and take both hands and fucking... There, I'll walk him out so you can play with